Ano yung pinaka naging financial struggle natin as far as you can remember? Actually, fresh pa naman siya.
No, yung first na tough time talaga natin, yung nahirapan tayo magbayad ng credit card. Malaki kasi yung credit card debts ko before kami nagkita ni Coach June. I kept on doing purchases. Lumaki siya ng husto kasi hindi siya nabayaran ng buo. I only had a meager salary nung time na yon. It was just a 15,000 salary while I was running the family business. During our marriage, it was COVID time. Yung small business natin na coffee shop, temporarily restricted kasi nga COVID. Bawal mag-interact yung mga tao.
Correct.
So, nahirapan kami. And then, we had employees to sustain. Na-feel natin yung heaviness ng credit card yung time na yun. That's the time that pushed us to really sit down, tignan talaga yung card, ano yung pwede natin gawin. Ang ginawa natin nun was to do work. Nag-online work kaming dalawa ni Coach June. I went into 51 Talk as an English ESL teacher. And then you went into Upwork.
I went to Upwork and
Hirap na hirap ka sa transcription. I
correct,
remember
no?
that.
Wala akong pasensya doon, sa totoo lang.
Oo. What we did with the card was really pay off a bulk of it as much as we can. So, wala tayong expenses, wala tayong spendings para sa sarili natin. Work, 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 and then pay off as much as we can. Eventually, years later, nakaraos.
Yan. And I think pinaka-importanting part doon is yung budgeting din. We're able to budget, kaya yung mga extra talagang nabayaran natin siya paunti-unti hanggang sa natapos.